Very welcome to one and all. Today's topic for the discussion is TVP and its properties. So, TVP is nothing but we have seen so far, that is texturized vegetable protein. Now, we will see what properties it conducts. TVP can be made from soya flour or concentrate containing 50% and 70% soy protein, respectively. So, if you have 50% of soy flour or 70% of soy protein concentrate, then TVP can easily be prepared. They have a mild beanie flour. Both requires rehydration before use, sometimes with flavoring added in the same state. TVP is extruded, causing a change in the structure of the soya protein, which result in a fibrous spongy matrix similar in the texture to the meat. So, as because of the denaturation of protein, the structure of the protein get changed or destructed, but it happens to be similar to the meat, that is fibrous and sponginess. It is dehydrated from when it in its dehydrated form you can use, it has a shelf life of longer than a year. So if you use dehydrated form of TVP, the more longer duration of its shelf life is there achieved, but it may spoil within several days after being hydrated. So depending on whether you need to dehydrated from or hydrated from, you have to select. And the it's what you call final shelf life would be depending on it. So in its flat form it can be used similar to the ground meat. So for if you have to use exactly same as a ground meat, then you have to prepare it in the flaked form. Now we'll see what are the uses of TVP. Texturized vegetable protein is a versatile substance which different forms allow it to take the texture of whatever ground meat it is substituting. So if you prepared it in different texture, it can substitute or it can replace ground meat in different forms. So using TVP, one can make vegetarian or vegan versions of traditionally meat-based dishes such as chili con carne, spaghetti bolognese, sloppy joes, tacos, burgers or burritos. So in all the products we can replace meat with TVP. Soy protein can also be used as a low cost and high nutrition extender in comminuted meat and poultry products and in tuna salads as well. TVP is also very lightweighted and is often used in backpacking recipes because of its relatively low cost, high protein content and long shelf life. It is used in prisons as schools as well as disaster preparedness because of its sudden uh, immuno boosting effect or protein effect, which is also somewhat having the less price than the market. So in general government uses TVP. So those with certain allergies however should absolutely avoid it. Here you can see different forms of TVP. So some of them is chunk form and some of them is grinded form. So depending on the product you can replace a certain form, and this is the marketed or the product which is available in the market, that is TVP. So thank you, that's it for today.